What dark secret are you hiding from everyone? 2 days before my dad took his life, he called me, telling me what he wanted to do. He had been calling me and telling me how depressed he was for months, and I was sick of hearing it. And I hung up on him. I hung up on my suicidal father. He then took his life on my 17th birthday. Everybody in the family thinks it was a coincidence that he took his life on my birthday, but I know the real reason. I've never told a single member of my family, as I know they would blame me, especially my brother. Ever since he took his life, I have had this recurring nightmare of seeing my dad in a grocery store, passing at the other end of the aisle. He's pushing an empty shopping cart and briefly looks at me at the other end of the aisle, but keeps going. When I run to where he was, he's now at the other end of the aisle. Rinse and repeat until I wake up screaming. Some secrets will haunt you until you die.